So hey guys, welcome to how's it going here? So today I will be reorganizing what my DIY fidget toy that I made and my puppet and my Rubik's cube into this container.
Oh, hello, puppet.
Ooh.
I'm gonna play with it for a while.
Why are this grows?
Okay. Oh, there we go.
So guys, let's put this out. Ow, 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 ouch. We have the clean, what do we say, container, something else, yeah. Okay guys, so first let's pour all my DIY fidget toys. Oh, what? Okay, it's a mess now, but it's alright. We are gonna put all my DIY fidget toys in here. Well, actually guys, this is not a fidget toy. Yeah, and I have bad news, guys. Look at all that powder is coming out from this hole. I don't know what to do. Comment down below if you know, guys. So guys, okay, we need to put this later on. Okay, first our simple dimple DIY. Wait, I don't know how. Wait, I'm just gonna do it. Another one, which doesn't have this 8 shape one. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, what the heck? Where to put this? Oh my god, I need to just put some tape. What the heck? Where does this thing come? Okay, guys, so I can't figure out where to get, so just gonna, ouch, put it there. I know. We're gonna put this. Okay, let's see. Oh, can't forget this. Woo! What? Oh, right. Hey. Oh yeah, this one. Wait, let me straight. There we go. Beep beep. We're gonna put this now. Go on, don't be shy. Ooh. Okay, this one now. Oh my goodness, guys! What is happening to my DIY fidget toys? This one, and which one are you? Yeah, this one. It's not that bad, but anyways, yeah. And this one. I don't know what's happening. All my fidget toys are running itself. Wait. We will not have place to keep this heart-shaped. Ah! No! Stupid. Oh my. Okay, there we go. And ah! Okay. There we go, guys. Chill down. So guys, not like that. Yo, we gonna take all of them out. So guys, maybe I just need to put this like this or like this. Okay. Well, everything's going as I planned, I guess. Wait, let me put this on right here. Oh, there we go. We have some space for something. Maybe we're gonna put this, yeah, and this, yeah, and this too. Probably like that. Just gonna keep these up. No. Okay, so yeah, like this. There we go, guys. There we go. Oh, not. Okay. Ah! Silly, stupid thing. Ugh. Okay, there you go, I guess. Now this one, you know, what we say, bike chain or something else. And there we have my spinner. Some of them are not DIY, okay guys? There we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're just gonna put this right here like that. Oh, there we go. I was like, no. Whatever. This should be right like that, I guess. Ow, my hand. Thinking. Ouch. Oh yeah. Oh, almost forget about my dear puppet. So, no, we're gonna put this right here like that. I'm gonna put this right here. We're gonna put this right here. Shh, don't tell anyone. Okay. We're gonna put and the spinners is looking so congested, right, guys? Yes, I know so. So I'm gonna put my Rubik's cube. Okay. Ooh, everything is going as I planned. Yay! No. I don't know what. Oh my. Looking nice. I mean, not nice, but looking good. Yeah. Whoa. So, guys, wait a second. So, guys, I'm gonna open this. Okay. Ouch, my nails. Oh yeah, maybe this side should be right here. So, what the heck is this yet? Okay. So guys, I don't know if I should put this like right here. I hope this doesn't do. Oh no, bad idea guys. Okay, I should be careful doing that. So guys, look at this. What? Okay. Ah! Ouch! My finger. Oh my god. Oh, two of them fell. There we go. So guys, from tomorrow my school is gonna open up. Okay. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Ouch. Okay. We're just gonna. Okay. Oh, I didn't notice that. So just gonna put this statue. Okay, statue. Okay, guys. So guys, just gonna, what do we say? Just gonna put borrow in my hands because my hands are ewy-mewy. Okay, like it's cracked. Okay, guys. Ouch. Sorry. What? Okay, this part is not good, but this part, like, oh my god, it's so red. Okay, it's just in camera, but it's not red. I guess it's showing like blood. So guys, I'm gonna show you my this. Look, guys, we have everything. Wow. So satisfying for me. I don't know what for you guys. So, ciao. Oh, guys, I just don't wanna mess up. Yo, guys, remember, this is like my first flip book. Like this story is good, but like, you know, drawing is not good. It has no smooth one. Yeah, I told you guys to like check the animation, you know. I don't know if you have checked it, but if you haven't, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll not miss any of my amazing flipbook or something else video. Okay, guys. So yeah, he also had like, he had made this when he was a kid, animation. I know what's the flipbook, and I love to make flipbooks. Okay, so I don't know this topic, but I tried my best. Whoop! Oh, what the heck? Whoop! Okay, again, guys. I don't know how people like this do like this, you know, and like turns the page and like pauses it, but I can't do that. Comment down below how to do that. Okay, so there we go. Haha. Okay, I forgot to color it. Okay, but I didn't want it. It's good enough for me. It's really good. Great. Okay, guys, I just don't want to run it. Comment down below if you like, you know, made flipbooks. How many flipbooks? Comment down below. I would love to. I love to hear that. Yeah, made some flipbooks. If not, then it's alright. You watch my videos and make flipbook. Why the heck is this coming out? Look, guys. So, damn it. Children, girl, she's gonna put all of it. So, guys, I don't know what to do with this container. Well, if my mom and dad will need this, I'll have to put my what do you say? DIY fidget in this box again. Oh God, I just need to throw it. Guys, comment down below if you have like any ideas like to put these. My drawer is full. That's why I'm keeping it this. But yeah, how is this doesn't fall? Do you like my pencil box? Tomorrow I'm going to school, and yeah, again, I was having online classes, but today now tomorrow my physical classes starts tomorrow. Okay. I don't know why I was so like again and again. I guess I'll need this, buddy. And my mom will need it for the kitchen. But anyway, if you like my video, hit the like button, okay? Bye, guys. Again, sewing this because I'm really happy. Love y'all. Bye.